What's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website here called Yougov, and you're wondering, can you actually share your opinion and earn money, right? Can you actually take surveys and earn money? How much money can you make? We're going to talk all about that. Is this a legitimate site? Can you really withdraw money from them? All right. Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars per month minimum, 100% online from home, just go ahead and click the link below, and I will send you that training directly to your email for free. All right. Now, let's take a look at Yougov. I have reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different survey websites. Some are really good, and some are just straight up bad. So let's look at Yougov to see whether they're legit, how much do they pay, and how do you actually withdraw your money, all right? Now, all you need to do to get an account with Yougov is just go ahead and click on login. They're available in most countries. There are some countries where they may not be available. They're still in beta mode, but for the most part, they are available in most countries. So you just need to check on your actual country itself. You just click start, go ahead and sign up. You will go through a pre-qualification questionnaire where they're going to find out all sorts of information about you, and then based on your demographic, where you're located, your interest, that sort of thing, they will be able to give you different surveys depending on where you are and who you are. All right, so different countries, different demographics, different interests will receive a different amount of surveys. Some of them will be a lot, some of them won't be so much. So you might be in a country where you're only going to get one survey a month, right? You might be somebody that gets a survey every single day. Sometimes you might be able to fill out a couple of surveys every single day, all right? So it really depends. And look, it's not something that you can get rich from, because Yougov pays between 50 cents and roughly about $2 per survey. That's not bad. That's pretty much industry standard, industry average, but you're not going to make millions of dollars or even hundreds of dollars from a survey website like Yougov, okay? Because survey websites just don't pay that much. Again, they pay between 50 cents and $2 per survey. That's the average. And the way that you withdraw is you can withdraw through cash, through PayPal, or through gift cards. So it depends on which country that you live in. When you log in, depending if you live in India or Canada or the US or Australia or the UK, your withdrawal methods will be different. Sometimes it will be a gift card from Adidas, Apple, Amazon, Target. You know, sometimes it might just be PayPal. So it just really depends on where you live in the world. If you live in a certain country, the withdrawal for example, PayPal might be $50. So you might have to wait until you have $50 worth of money before you can withdraw it. And with gift cards, it might be $10 to $15. It just depends, again, on the country that you live in. So you can expect different things depending on where you live. But the important thing is that Yougov is legitimate. They've been around for a long time. You can fill out surveys hopefully every single day. Sometimes you can't, it just depends on where you live, but they really do pay out, all right? Now, will you get rich with filling out surveys? Unfortunately not, because it's a 100% free service, and anytime it's a 100% free service, you're not really gonna make, you know, hundreds and thousands of dollars with these types of websites. But look, if you're willing to spend a couple of hours on Yougov every day and make a couple of bucks here and there, then it's a great website, 100% legit, all right? You can check it out. Now, if you're here though watching this video right now, maybe you're someone who's looking to make full-time income, or maybe even side income. You're looking for a side hustle, and you're looking for a lot more income than a couple of bucks here and there, right? If you want to learn to generate thousands of dollars, if you want my favorite way to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars minimum per month, 100% online, I've got a favorite way to do that, and you can just go ahead and click the link below, and I will send you that training directly to your email for free. Make sure you check your spam folder, because sometimes email ends up in spam these days. I hope you enjoyed this review of Yougov today, and I hope to see you on another review. Take care.